Hey, Nick here. I've owned and operated my own businesses here in LA County for 20 plus years, and I get asked this question all the time. How do you file a DBA in LA County? It's really not that hard, but most people, especially if it's their first time, go to Google and type something similar to that question in the search field and be bombarded with options from LegalZoom, Swift Filing, Zen Business, a ton of others, all ready and willing to take your hard-earned money. If you want to avoid paying extra fees for a simple DBA, just go to the actual Los Angeles County Clerk's website at www.lavote.gov. That's www.lavote.gov. Once you're on the site, it's very simple. Go to Services, file a fictitious business name, Filing, and then these are all your DBA options. You can file online. It'll be an additional $9 on top of the actual fee for the DBA, which I believe is $26. You can file online, you can file in person, or you can do it by mail. Now personally for me, I choose to just go to my local county recorder's office. Because in all honesty, it'll take maybe an hour out of your day. You'll walk out with your DBA paperwork in hand versus having to wait for a third-party company, having to wait for anything to be sent to the mail. Only other thing you'll need to do is make sure to publish your new DBA filing in a local county newspaper or publication. It's one of the requirements when getting a DBA. You're basically letting the community know that you're now doing business as whatever your business name is. When you walk out of the county office, there's a high chance that there will be a ton of vultures circling trying to sell you on filing in their company's publication for a fee of X amount. And they'll handle everything. Chances are they'll try to sell you on other things as well because they know that you're now on your way to starting some sort of company. Again, unless time is more important to you than money, I would advise you walk right past them and beeline for your car. The county clerk's office has provided you with a list of publications you can post an ad in. It is given to you with your newly formed DBA. Just call around, go with whomever has the cheapest price. You need to publish an ad for 4 weeks as part of the DBA requirement. Outside of that, congrats on starting your new venture, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to get back to you. Best of luck with your new venture. I'll see you in the next video.